Hello and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. If this is your first time watching, consider hitting that subscribe button, turn the bell on so you won't miss a notification. I am hopping on because I had a question in the comments on a yarn that I touched. And what they meant by that was, if you watch the video where I showed the yarn in Joanne, I touched it, but I did not pull it out and show you what the name of the yarn is. The yarn that I believe it is the Red Heart Super Saver Stripes, and it's in the color Fall. So you will be seeing that shortly. So thank you so much for your question. I hope that I answered it for you, and I also showed you another yarn. So I hope you can get your hands on it. You all have a wonderful one, and remember to live each day as if it were your last. Enjoy.